Here, we'll be showing you how to solder a joint. First, you cut your copper piping. Next, we'll be reaming out the inside of the copper pipe. Now, we will be using sandcloth to clean the copper pipe. Now, I will be taking the wire brush and cleaning out the inside of the 90. Now we are using the flux and putting it around the copper pipe, and then now inside of the 90. Do that on both pieces. It's used as an adhesive. Now we are putting the head on the blowtorch. Now we are heating up the fitting so that we can solder the joint. Once we get it to desired temp, we're going to take the rag and clean off all of the flux. We are now heating it up more so that the solder can melt into the joint. Making sure that there is a nice line all the way around the joint with heating up the solder. We're heating up and cleaning the joint so that it is a nice, clean solder. Here's the final product. Thank you for watching.